Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect TradeView right here with cTrader. And with TradeView, I mean TradeView markets. First thing that we are going to do is we click right here on brokers and then we scroll down to load more. Then we click right here on the T and then you will find right here TradeView markets. Then we select right there open account and then he will send us right here to the broker page. And then right here you see that we can create automatically an account with this account registration. Then what you need to know that the email address that you are giving them needs to be exactly the same as the email address right here in cTrader. And you can find it by simply going right in the top and then here is the email address. So you will find it right here. Then we go back and then fill that email address in, create yourself a password, then do continue. Then you need to set up your account and they will ask you a lot of things, but the most important thing that you need to focus on is the platform type. Because once you get the option to select the platform type, you need to select cTrader. Then after that, finish your setup for your account. And then what you're going to do is go to cTrader, click right in the top, and then your account will stay right here directly in this list. Because cTrader is automatically syncing accounts right here in their application. So if you use the correct email and select platform type cTrader, you will automatically find your account right here in this list. I already did this for FX Pro, FP Markets, FTMO, Fusion Markets and IC Markets. So it works exactly the same for all the brokers. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.